Welcome everyone! My name is Katharina Doerr and I'm part of the S/4HANA Product Success and Customer Co-Innovation team. In this video, I will provide you an overview of the key highlights in the area of sourcing and procurement for 1911 release. This time it's all about integration. Thus the two innovations I've brought will touch the topic from integration from different perspectives. One of the main highlights is the lean service integration with Ariba network. With 1911, it is now possible to streamline the process of service procurement. In contrast to physical goods, the value of a service is not existent before its execution. It requires a detailed tracking of services to determine the value that is delivered and invoiced in the end. For the detailed tracking, service entry sheets capture the delivered service quantity, such as working hours, for example. A purchaser can now create a lean service request, such as a purchase order, in S/4HANA Cloud and sends it to the supplier into Ariba network. The supplier can access the purchase order through the supplier portal in Ariba network and may create a service entry. Through the seamless integration with S/4HANA Cloud, the purchaser is being informed by a notification immediately and can then approve the service entry sheet. In order to speed up the procurement process, it is sent automatically to Ariba network, where the supplier can start creating the invoice for the delivered service. Now let's jump to our second release highlight. With the current release, we offer an integration of S/4HANA Cloud for enterprise contract management and the assembly of contracts and legal documents. S/4HANA Cloud for enterprise contract assembly offers an application to assemble all kinds of legal and contractual documents based on templates, text blocks and rules, which will be stored in a central repository. Through the integration, documents that are created during the procurement process, like purchasing contracts, supplier terms and conditions, and many more, can be managed and adapted in a flexible way. Users can easily link a procurement business object to a legal transaction and the appropriate contractual document. Depending on the nature of the transaction, one can either link a purchase order, a purchase contract, or a request for quotation. You will benefit from a reduced effort for legal operations, such as template and text blocks provisioning for all different business scenarios. If you want to gain more insights on our current innovations, check out sap.com/s4-cloud release. Thanks for watching and see you next time!